Hi guys, we've been asked to do a review on the SAMODRA, SAMODRA Ultra Slim Bidet attachment for your toilet. It does have a dual nozzle for front and rear wash. It's a hygienic bidet for existing toilets, and it does have adjustments. And I will tell you, on high, it is very, 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 very powerful. So he's going to show you a couple of them.
Garden hose underneath.
It will clean you very well. Okay, so let's see what this corner one up here does first. And then you can actually turn it up so it'll go as high as you want it to go. Do the other edge one. Now that one will do the back, but again you can adjust. Now the powerful one is that bottom button. Adjust it up a little bit. There it goes, it's going to squirt. Now see how it squirts? And it can go a lot more powerful than that. This is probably one of the nicest bidets I've ever found because it is very, very powerful, and you can adjust it to clean front or back for girls or guys.
And the height ain't way up here like a chick arm either, so it makes it a little easier for the bigger people to sit on it. I'm
a bigger girl, and we bought one, and it came up on the side here, and it would pinch my leg, so I didn't like it. Now this one goes out and down, so even for the bigger people, you're not going over it, so it's really good for the plus size people as well. And what about the installation?
I didn't think it was that difficult. You take the bottom half of the toilet coming up to the tank, take that off first. Then of course you turn the valve off first.
Yeah, do that first, yeah.
You turn that off first, flush the toilet. That way the water's all out of the line, so you don't get any water all over the place. Then you turn this one that goes to the toilet off first. You pull it out of the way, you put the valve in its place, you put the little gasket that goes in the thing and tighten it up. Then you tighten this up underneath it, and then you tighten up the other one that goes to the bidet. It's a little T down here. That T ties into that, to over here, done deal.
So it didn't take you long at all, did it?
No, about 10 minutes.
So it's very easy installation. Has a lot of different modes, and it will go up to 90 degrees. So that's the one. That's the one that's powerful. It will clean anything. Yeah.
They'll give you an enema.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but anyway, it is very strong. We did test it out, and it's actually quite nice, don't you think?
I thought it was.
I think we'll enjoy this. So give it a look. I will put a link below, and there's a really good coupon so that you can get these for very inexpensive. So thanks for watching. Give them a look.